Hi, I'm going to show you how to sew a hanging hand towel, and I use a pot holder and a towel, and I got them from Walmart. You get a package of 2 towels and 2 pot holders for $5, and you just need a button as well. And I just sewed the center to the towel. It's pretty easy to do. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you're going to take the pot holder, and the creases are already made from the store when I bought it, and I'm going to place the pot holder right in the center, right on the fold. So I'm going to make sure that I fold it and then place it in the center and then flip it over right in the center, and I'm going to pin the back because I'm going to sew right across, right in a straight line across the pot holder. Okay, I'm doing a little bit of a back stitch, and then I'm doing a straight line. Okay, it's all sewn together, and now I'm going to take a button and I'm going to sew on a button right above on the one side, because the loop on the other side is going to wrap around that button, and it's sewed right across, right on the top of the fold. And then after your button is sewn on, and then your hanging towel will be complete. It's a pretty easy project to do. It's great for a craft fair or for your stove or anything. You can wrap it right around and then use it as a hand towel. Okay, so this is a really easy project to do. These are great for gifts, great for craft fairs. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.